Hello guys, welcome to Flash Tutorials. Myself in Basa, and today we are doing pool program. As you can see, I have created some layers. First is stick, blue ball, brown ball, green ball, red ball, black ball, pink ball, white ball, and pool ball. So let's do the program. So first, as stick move. First we give the motion to stick. We'll go it to back and we'll again at its place. Now give the same frames to the white ball and ring stick with white ball and here, motion twin. Now f6 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 and f6. I'm sorry, f6. Okay, now give the motion to white ball f6 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 and f6 and give frames to it. Now white ball will go here to and now give frames f6 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 6 6 f6 and f6. Now when white ball touch here, and now we give motion twin, so pink ball will go directly in the hole. So give motion twin and delete frame. Okay, and if you want to foul the game, so you can black ball also go in the hole and here motion twin. Now green ball motion twin like that, create motion twin, and after touch here it will come back and give pass to the another walls. Motion pin come here. Now blue wall will move like that. And brown ball and red ball go here. Brown ball will go here and blue ball will go here. Now give motion twin, give motion twin, give motion twin, and where is white ball? Give motion twin like this. And frames. Now let's run the program and see what happens. So as you can see, give frames, give frames, give frames, give frames to all. I put the black ball in the hole, so cam should be over. So create another layer and give name text. Now where is black ball? Give here frames and write game over. And make size bigger and break apart and put it, make it small and give frames make it bigger and place it to center and give shape to it. And now run the program. Show one. So it's our full program. If you have any doubt, so you can comment, and please like my video and subscribe my channel and support me for some more videos and about animation. Thank you guys.